Hi guys, in this video I am giving you a very nice book in which 1337 use cases of ChatGPT and other chatbots. These all are very useful ChatGPT prompts you can use and master ChatGPT using this. The all prompts you can read here, how you can do text data visualization, data analysis and many things. All the life activities related ChatGPT prompts are available in this book. This book link will be in the description. You can go and use these prompts and make your life very easier. This is all ChatGPT prompts I can show you. You can see here. Yes, it's framing. You can see here all the things are with example. All the things are available with the example. You can use these all prompts and you can read the content of this book. So guys, subscribe my channel. I will create more videos on that.